Hi friends. We're having a Scarlet microwave repaired today. They said it started smoking and stopped working. There seems to be no damage inside. I smell something burning. So let's take it apart and see what's wrong. You can see the full name of the microwave on your screen now. I see that the resistor has melted, apparently a relay. The black one seems to be a relay. We'll look it up online now. Let's take a closer look at the damage. Of course, we need to remove the board now and take a closer look at what else burned out. Before removing the board, you need to mark or remember the wire locations on the board so you don't mix them up when reassembling the device. I'll show you all the wires and their locations now. One resistor is badly damaged, the other is questionable. I'm going to disassemble 3 components now. 2 resistors and 1 relay. I desoldered the resistors, and they show normal values. But the resistor at the bottom is pressed out, so I'd better buy new ones. The resistors are 5 watts and 47 ohms. The burned out relay operates at 28 volts. The coil on it is open circuited and there's no continuity. As far as I understand, the relay isn't turning on, which is causing the resistors to burn out. Let's take a look at the board. As you can see, it's scorched. I need to clean up all the burnt residue. I'll also check the adjacent radio components for proper operation. I bought new parts. The new relay operates at 30 volts, while the old one operates at 28 volts. The new relay also has an extra leg, but you can cut it off or leave it unused. I also bought new resistors and cleaned the board. I've soldered everything onto the board, and let's install it. I plugged the microwave into the power supply, and now we have an indicator light on the microwave. I put a glass of cold water inside, and let's turn it on. Let's check. As you can see, the water has heated up and steam has appeared on the mug. Another microwave repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and like it. See you in the next videos. Bye.